If your Grammarly widget has disappeared, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Grammarly widget back, whether you use it in your browser or in desktop apps like Word and Outlook. This is a super common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few quick steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and productivity tips. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the browser version of Grammarly. If you normally see the floating Grammarly G icon while typing on websites or in Google Docs and it suddenly disappeared, the first thing you should do is check your browser extensions. In Chrome or Edge, look to the top right corner of your browser and click the puzzle piece icon. This opens your extensions menu. Find Grammarly in the list and then click the pin icon next to it. Pinning the extension makes sure it stays visible in your toolbar, which can help bring the widget back and make it easier to access. If the widget still is not showing up, the next step is to refresh the page. Sometimes Grammarly does not load properly on a specific website or document, and a simple refresh can fix it immediately. If refreshing does not work, try restarting your browser completely. Close it fully, reopen it, and then go back to the page where you were using Grammarly. In many cases, that is enough to restore the floating widget. Now, if Grammarly is visible in the toolbar, but it still is not appearing where you type, click the Grammarly icon. This opens the extension settings for the current site. Look for the option that says check for writing suggestions on this website and make sure it is turned on. If that setting is disabled, Grammarly may be installed correctly, but not actively showing suggestions on that page. Turning it on can bring the widget back right away. Now let's move to the desktop version of Grammarly. If you're using Microsoft Word, Outlook, or another desktop app and the Grammarly widget is missing, the fix is a little different. First, restart the Grammarly application. On Windows, look in the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. On Mac, check the menu bar at the top. Find the Grammarly icon, right-click it, and choose Quit. After that, reopen Grammarly from your Start menu on Windows or from your Applications folder on Mac. Once the app relaunches, open the document or desktop program again and see if the widget has returned. In many cases, restarting the app is all it takes to restore the floating Grammarly panel. If it still does not appear, make sure Grammarly is fully signed in and running in the background. Sometimes the app can be open, but not connected properly, which prevents the widget from loading inside your writing app. Another thing to keep in mind is that browser updates, app updates, or even temporary glitches can cause Grammarly to disappear. So if none of these steps work right away, updating your browser, updating Grammarly, and then restarting your computer can often solve the issue. It may sound basic, but these simple refresh steps fix a lot of hidden software problems. So to quickly recap, if the Grammarly widget is missing in your browser, pin the extension, refresh the page, and make sure writing suggestions are turned on for that site. If it is missing in desktop apps, restart the Grammarly app from the system tray or menu bar and relaunch it. Following these steps should get the Grammarly widget back in most situations. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.